Hello student, today I will discuss exercise 18.3 long answer type question. Question 13. A rectangular sheet paper of 44 cm into 18 cm is rolled along its length. Find cylinder and a cylinder formed. Find radius of the cylinder. कहने का मतलब ये कह रहा है कि एक पेपर है जिसकी लंबाई 44 सेंटीमीटर इसकी लंबाई है और चौड़ाई आपकी विड्थ जो है 18 सेंटीमीटर है. नाउ ए पेपर whose length 44 centimeter and width is 18 centimeter. This paper rolled along the length and make a या formed a cylinder. फॉर एग्जाम्पल जैसे हमारे पास ये पेपर है, ये आपका लेंथ है और इधर वाली साइड जो है विड्थ है. इसको लेंथ के अनुसार अगर हम फोल्ड करें तो कुछ इस तरह फोल्ड होगा, ये इस तरह अलोंग टू लेंथ इस तरह. तो जो लेंथ का एरिया होगा इस तरह फोल्ड होगा. तो ये जो लेंथ है ये बेस का सरकमफ्रेंस कहलाएगा. अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे अगर हम बात करें length of sheet paper is equal to 44 centimeter and width of sheet is equal to 18 centimeter. Since paper fold along its length, therefore circumference of base of cylinder is equal to 44 सेंटीमीटर. ये कैसे आया देखिएगा कि फिर से एक बार, ये आपका लेंथ है, ये आपका विड्थ है. अगर हम इस पेपर को फोल्ड करें इस तरह से लेंथ के अकॉर्डिंग या लेंथ के एलान, तो ये इस तरह फोल्ड होगा, ऐसे फोल्ड होगा. तो जो आपकी जो विड्थ होगी इस सिलेंडर की हाइट बनेगी और जो ये लेंथ होगा ये इस सिलेंडर का बेस के सरकमफ्रेंस बनेंगे और इसी सरकमफ्रेंस को हम इस तरह लिखेंगे. ठीक, तो एज वी नो बेस circumference of base is 2 pi r is equal to 44 centimeter. Now put the value of pi 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 44. Now 22 to the 44, then r is equal to 7 centimeter, which is a required answer. Now question number 14. A cylindrical pillar is 5 centimeter in diameter and 3.5 meter its height. Find the cost of painting curved surface of the pillar at the rate 12.5 rupees per meter square. कह रहा है कि एक सिलेंड्रिकल पिलर है जिसका जो डायमीटर है वो 50 सेंटीमीटर. ये पूरा जो डायमीटर d है ये आपका 50 सेंटीमीटर का है और इस पिलर की जो हाइट है h 3.5 मीटर. तो कह रहा है इस पिलर को पेंट करने के लिए कितने पैसे लगेंगे. यदि 1 मीटर स्क्वायर पेंट करने में 12 रुपया 50 पैसा लग रहा हो. ठीक, तो इस क्वेश्चन को समझिएगा. हमारे पास गिवन है, given that diameter of base of pillar या cylindrical pillar is 50 centimeter. Therefore radius of base of pillar is equal to 25 centimeter. Now this convert 0.25 meter and height of pillar is equal to 3.5 meter. Now curved surface area CSA of pillar is equal to 2 pi RH. Now 2 pi 22 upon 7 and the value of radius are 0.25 and height is 3.5 meter. Now 22 upon 7, this value written 25 upon 100 and this is the 35 upon 10. Now 7 5 ja 35 and 7 5 2 ja 10, 2 to cancel out. Now 25 4 ja 100, so 22 upon 4 meter square, that implies 5.5 meter square total curved surface area of pillar या टोटल एरिया फॉर पेंटिंग द पिलर, मतलब वो सारे एरिया जिसे हमको पेंट करने हैं उसका एरिया 5.5 लिखेंगे। सिंस कॉस्ट ऑफ पेंटिंग 1 मीटर स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 12.50 रुपीज, देयरफॉर total cost of painting of pillar is equal to 12.50 into total area 5.5 meter square. Now this value is 68.75 rupees in total cost. This is the answer. Now question number 15. Find the ratio between total surface area of cylinder to its curved surface area given that height and radius are 7.5 centimeter and 3.5 centimeter. Now question number 15. Solution. Given that height of cylinder is equal to 7.5 centimeter and radius of cylinder, base of cylinder भी लिख सकते हैं 3.5 centimeter. Now ratio, to find the ratio now TSA of cylinder upon CSA of cylinder. Now total surface area of cylinder 2 pi r plus h and total curved surface area of cylinder 2 pi r h. Now 2 pi r cancel out, put the value of height and radius. So 7.5 plus 3.5 upon 7.5. This is the 11 upon 7 pi 0.5. This is the 22:15. Now required ratio is the 22:15. Now question number 16 is question number 16. A solid cylinder has total surface area 462 centimeter square and its curved surface area is 1/3 of total surface area. Find the radius and height of the cylinder. Now question number 16 solution. Given that total surface area of cylinder is equal to 462 centimeter square. Now total surface area 2 pi r plus h is equal to 462 centimeter square, and curved surface area of cylinder is 1/3 of total surface area of cylinder. Now total surface area is 462. Now this is divide 3 1 ja 3, 3 5 ja 15 and 3 4 ja 154 centimeter square, the curved surface area. Now curved surface area 2 pi RH and 2 pi RH. Put the value of 2 pi RH. Put the value of 2 pi R. Put 2 pi R is equal to 154 upon R. Equation 2, this is the equation number 1. Using equation 2 in first, we get 154 R plus H is equal to 462. Now R is 154 and this R upon R plus H upon R is equal to 462. Now 1 plus H upon R is equal to 462 upon 154. This is cancelled out 3 times. So H upon R, this H upon R is equal to 3 minus 1. H upon R is equal to 2. H equal to 2R. H equal to 2R. Now equation 3rd. Using equation 3rd in second, we get 2 pi. This is the स्टूडेंट, बस यहाँ देख लीजिए, ये यहाँ पे H की R होगा, यहाँ पे R होगा, H हो गया, ये H हो गया, ये H हुआ, ये आपका H हुआ, तो ये होगा यहाँ पे R अपॉन H प्लस 1, तो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा R बाई H और R बाई H. Now R is equal to 2H. Put equation number 2 in first. Now 2 pi. Put the value of R is 2H is equal to 154 by H. 2 2 ja 4. 4 into 22 by 7 into H square is equal to 154. Now this is the H square is equal to 154 into 7 upon 4 into 22. Now this value 7 times cancel out, so H square equal to 7 into 7 upon 4, H equal to 7 by 2 that implies 3.5 centimeter. This is the h, and put the value of h in equation third. Put h equal to 3.5 centimeter in third. R is equal to 2 into 3.5 centimeter. That implies R is equal to 7 centimeter. This is the required answer. Thank you, class.